What up, you guys? It's your girl Emmy Bree. This is a little recap of what you missed in part 1. This is part 2 of the vlog. Hopped on a plane, drew my friend Madison's little dog Chance. Madison and I landed in Florida. It was super warm. Headed to the Airbnb. The Airbnb was so freaking cute and it was covered in anoles. I love anoles. Next day, took some pictures and got a Fashion Nova package, which I had unpackaged. Really, I had some forethought, so I ended up bringing a check bag and bam, taking photos. Had some good food and then took a walk on the pier and saved a frog. You are all caught up. Let's hop into the video, baby. Guys, I found a toaster. The bagels I got have Asiago cheese. I'm mad about it.
One, fight.
Usually every time I make a bagel, there's a little bagel goblin right there. Alright guys, I am skinning a bagel.
Round 2. Fight.
I think it's only on the exterior. I don't think any of the interior has it. And also save the cream cheese from the other bagel because I'm not a wasteful bitch. There's the skins. Let's see if this works.
Finish it.
Ooh, naked bagel. Let's get ready, baby.
Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser.
Hey Google, play Britney Spears.
It's Britney, bitch.
Hey Google, play Mother Mother.
And I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the whip we left at. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit.
Got ready, and today's the whole reason I am here in Florida. I'm doing art direction, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing because I'm shooting a few looks super quick. Yeah, this is the next look I'm shooting. This dress low-key makes my boobs look fake, but it is very flattering. They're well supported, so I can't be mad. Now just trying to piece outfits together because I've shot everything I need to. Shein top, Kylie swim bottoms.
Chandelier, limousines.
I got a last track of time. I'm getting dressed. Ah! My lift is almost here. A super cute dress. It's really hot out, so I thought a dress would be nice and cool. Let's go, baby. Made it. Madison's on second cam, baby. Oh, we're doing a giveaway. I'm excited, and Madison and I are gonna be, I was supposed to say throwing the balloons, setting the balloons free. Shack, baby. Vegetarian at the Crab Shack. Gotta get some pasta. Here's out of me. I low-key like the wrap though. Look at the little chicks. Oh, they're cute, bro. Big purr. Headed to the casino, baby. Yeah. To the casino, baby. Wait, no, like that. It's like. I know. I'm glad I wear a little jacket. It's the money walk. I want this in my pocket. Right? This place is huge, you guys.
Let's see the actual. Oh, yes. 15.
That's some bitch code. Catch a trick, frame up.
Madison and I got fried rice, baby. Dude, what time does this food court close? Or does it literally never close?
Never closes.
Fried rice at 3 a.m. baby. I'm full of fried rice and broke. But I had a good time. And I'm so excited to review the footage. Insert clips of people checking me out.
Had the time of your life.
I'm full. Just got home. I am so freaking tired. I just put eye drops in. It looks like I'm crying. This was here. Good night. Good morning, you guys. It has been a crazy morning. I feel like I've been running around like a crazy woman just around here. I'm so excited. I have a special guest on the vlog today. Her name is Julie and she was popping off on TikTok and Instagram. We didn't talk a ton in high school, but I feel like the last couple years her and I have had like an online friendship. So I'm so excited to see her. It has been like 7 years. So she's coming actually to the Airbnb and she's got colorful hair. So I'm so excited. We're gonna be like little twinsy vibes. So we're gonna chill, hang out, make some content. So I'm so excited and I'm so excited for you guys to meet her. I'm freaking out. The power just went on and off and on and off and on and off because it's storming and I have my night light. I hate the dark. Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. It's back on now, but it was like a super loud thunder boom. And then all of a sudden all the lights started flickering and then boom, and then they all went out and then they all turned back on and everything started beeping and then it all turned off again. I'm ready. So clearly I'm a dummy. I didn't even vlog with Julie, but we filmed some content together. It was so good catching up. If you guys haven't seen our tandem yoga video, you should definitely check it out. I'll link it in the bio. What we're gonna do tonight. Okay, vaguely dress up for dinner, then get boozy ice cream. Vaguely dress up for dinner, then get boozy ice cream. Headed back to the casino. I'm wearing my Bottega Veneta heels, so I brought these for backup, but oh, that is really wet. So I totally forgot to vlog with my friend Julie, but I don't know why I spaced, but we filmed a YouTube video, some TikToks, hung out, chatted away, so it was super nice. Got changed, headed back to Hard Rock because there's an Italian place that Madison says is really good. So we're gonna go there and then hopefully this might be the year that I get boozy ice cream, but we shall see. I've been trying to go to this place, try to call to make sure that their hours or whatever, because I feel like every time I go, it's closed. So, fingers crossed. Madison, you gonna gamble again? Maybe, maybe. The stars align, baby. We're getting boozy ice cream. It's finally open. Ooh, that iPhone focus, baby. It focused really well. You look so pretty right now.
10 free spins. Here we go.
This went so well for me yesterday. I was joking because I have like all of my cards all up in a thing, and then I was like joking because I do that all the time. It's like my, I guess it's free thing. And I was like, what if I just hand you my insurance card? I legitimately handed him my insurance. I handed him my insurance card instead of my ID. I would simply like to pass away in this moment. Thank you very much. Madison's teaching me how to say Italian words. Bagna cara? I f***ed it up again. Butter balls. Balls with the butter. Butter balls. I'm gonna teach you my favorite new cheer. Ready? Here's to the boys that are big. Here's to the boys that are small. Here's to the boys that think they're big but really aren't at all. And the ones we raise our glasses to in the middle of the night are the ones that go small to big and stick it in just right. Got my broccoli and balls, baby. Wait, you look cute with a pony though. I love how my pants are just unbuttoned. because I'm filled with pasta. Good morning. So this is how today's going. Come on, baby. I got a Lunchable, baby. Bye to the cute Airbnb. Madison's staying here till Sunday. But I got all my stuff packed. Headed to the boat show. I had a specific outfit in mind. Then I found out that the Bang girls are there, so I gotta look cute, get myself a Bang contract. So I put the good booty leggings on. You can say she's locked and loaded. All right, guys, all packed up. Got my water. We're headed to the boat show, baby. Walking around, and I just pet the cutest collie ever. Impeccably groomed, beautiful, obsessed. I'm gonna go see a $5 million boat. So that's gonna be a vibe. Look at that bitch. It's got 4 motors. Checking out this boat, and look at this. There's no like bedroom or anything, but they got a little bathroom. Handsome, look at you.
Like a model.
Living the life. Made it to the airport. I'm gonna change some in leggings and I want to be in some sweats. Airport's popping though. And I took my bag, so I only have my backpack. Alright, you guys, just landed and we're stuck. Made it, now I'm waiting for my luggage. I'm so exhausted, y'all. Oh, Bubsy. You smell any? You smell the airport?